We learned a lot, and we have had a good sharing of ideas. And I hope that this convergence of ideas, sharing of knowledge, will create that ripple effect for us to tell everyone and realize that much has been said, but there's still a lot of things to be done when it comes to sustainability. And as a first-year law student decades ago, matagal na yun, I remember this buzz phrase, alam din ni Atty. Mano to, oposa versus factoran, intergenerational responsibility. And I hope gatherings like this will be the start, sabi ko nga ripple effect, it will be the start of a deeper devotion or deeper sense of this intergenerational